Ready to turn your website into a customer magnet by showcasing those golden Google reviews. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where the magic happens, so get ready to click. Next, navigate to Plugins, then click Add New. We're about to find a plugin that will do the heavy lifting for us. In the search bar, type Google Reviews Widget. There are several great options, but for this tutorial, let's go with the one with a high rating and lots of active installs, like the Google Reviews Widget by specific plugin name. Click Install now, and then wait for it to click Activate. This will bring the plugin to life on your site. Now, on the left-hand side of your dashboard, find the newly installed plugin. In most cases, it will be named Google Reviews or something similar. Click on it to access the plugin settings. You'll need your Google Place ID. This is like a unique identifier for your business on Google. To find it, head over to Google and search for Google Place ID Finder. Paste your business name into the Place ID Finder. Select your business from the list and copy the generated Place ID. Back in your WordPress dashboard, paste your Google Place ID into the plugin settings and hit Save Changes. Almost there. Now, go to Appearance and then click on Widgets. This is where we'll display those reviews on your site. Find the Google Reviews widget in the list of available widgets and drag it to the sidebar or footer area where you want your reviews to appear. Configure the widget settings, like the number of reviews to show and the order in which to display them. Then click Save. Head over to your website, and boom, your Google reviews are shining bright, building trust and driving conversions. You've successfully integrated Google Reviews into your WordPress website.